place, I don't recognize today.
Ang ilan paboritong pag-aking. And kagabi, di ba, nagpa ito chocolate filling para dito. And hinati ko pala yung ating cake. Luto na ako. And meron din pala ako yung toging spring rolls. So, ayan, magluto tayo. Si Jan, nakaligo na siya. Ayan na siya. Why don't you cook, Han? Nakaligo na siya. Iniinit ko lang to. Okay, okay. Bili siya ng soft drinks kasi wala na talaga kaming soft drinks. And parating din sila, ma'am. No, it's different one, kuya. So, eto, luto na yung bihon and yung ating spring rolls. Yung dalawa, si Sak tsaka si kuya, kumakain ng spring rolls. So, ilagay na natin to dyan. And eto. And may parating pang pizza. O, diba? Makakaraos din ang birthday ni Sak. So, kunin ko na yung aking chocolate cake. Kasi okay na to. Kanina pa to dito sa ref. So, ito na yung itsura niya. Oh. And, wala akong M&M's. Meron ako dito yung munchers. Chalk munchers. So, parang M&M's din siya. And, gumawa rin ako ng, nagmelt ako ng white chocolate. And, ang tagal ko na ito hindi ginagawa. And, ayan, nag-sample ako dito. Sana maging maayos. So, i-decorate ko na to. Good luck to me. Good luck. Good luck. Bahala na si Batman.
But is it Batman cake?
No.
Let me look. Okay, it's not Batman. No, it has to get off my head. Are you serious? What's in there? I don't know. Outlaw? Which one you? I don't want to do my egg. Which more baby? Mine's the black. Oh God, I had to grab it. Red, no, just white. Mom, oh God, jump the ramp. You jumped the ramp. Why are you Tornado twist! I look
Hang on, cauliflower. Don't touch it.
Is it alright now?
Yeah, put it in the fridge, let it set.
Where is it?
It'll melt outside, sweetie.
Yeah, I'm just decorating it, hon.
Daddy, did you just explode me?
Yung Y na ano, na aksidente yung Y.
Hey.
Okay na to. So, eto na, nasulatan ko na siya ng Happy 7th birthday. Okay na yan, di ba? O, ngayon, lalagyan ko na siya nito. How is it, kuya?
Good.
Good? Eto na, guys, yung... Eto na yung cake, guys. Si kuya, kinukuha niya yung mga nag-dip na chocolate. Oh, look at this sack. Nakabihis na si sack.
All that stuff.
That's the chocolate na. Nag-ano ako, nag-shred ako ng
Sure.
chocolate para ilagay dito sa top.
Yum.
Yum?
I
Ayan
know
na
how
siya.
to share it.
What do you think of your birthday cake
I know
na?
how to share it so you guys
Huh?
happy.
7th birthday.
There's no bird. Can't see a bird. Wait, is it a birthday? No. Oh,
Oh, careful.
it was wrong way.
Yeah.
Happy 7th birthday. Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Mom, I see.
You're welcome. Wow! No, you can't see Baba later na. I'll put this in the fridge muna. So, okay na. Baka tingnan si Sa kasi ang daming ano dyan. Oh. Hindi ko na siya nilipat sa sa cake board. Okay na to dyan. Ayan si Kuya. Wow!
What is that?
Is it good, Baba? We made it last night.
Who?
Me and Holly.
What the?
Yeah, me and Holly. But I decorate today. So, okay na siya. Ilagay ko muna siya sa ref. Yes, Kuya.
I'm gonna try one of those.
Yeah, of course, Kuya. We're just waiting for Nana and
These in a bowl.
Tita Mel.
Mom,
Yep.
one of these. It was in a bowl and I did at school.
Oh, did you?
I put too much soy sauce.
Ah, hanap tayo ng candle. Okay, wait.
Hey, Mom, look.
That's pink, Baba.
This one.
What's that one? Yeah, but I got another one. That blue one na.
No.
Or how about this one? How about this one?
These are ones that's birthday.
Happy birthday. Ano? Okay, you want the blue one?
Dad, Mom, this is like, did that
Yeah, that was
when you
when
were
Sak.
turning one?
Yeah, when
Yeah, I want this one.
you like the blue one. How many you gonna get? Just get.
Seven. Because I'm 7 years old.
Yeah, but that's too many. Can you just get 3?
You put it around. I want 7.
No, it's not gonna fit, Baba.
Oh, just try.
Just 3, please. So 3.
Hey, where's the tape?
Huh?
I'm the boss kid.
You're the boss? Why you're the boss?
Yeah. Hey,
Why?
tape? My birthday.
Boss kasi dito ang rules. Pag birthday mo siya ang boss. So 7 daw ang gusto niya.
Pink.
Okay, get 7 then.
Yay.
Sana mag-cash siya.
I got these 10.
Sus, tingnan niyo kung hiniram ko na naman yung ano ni Holly. Okay, that's it. Okay, it's alright. Put that back, Holly. It's alright. What happened to this sack?
Yeah, Taj just texted me.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Who?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Who?
5, 6. Happy birthday, Dad.
Who?
Happy birthday, Dad.
Who?
Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday daw, Kuya Sak. Okay, you get. Happy birthday, Kuya Sak.
I got 7.
You got 7?
Where's
Okay.
the tape? Put on tape.
Not yet. Later pa. Later.
Wait, what?
Later.
Wait.
So, meron na siyang 7.
2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Wait.
Habang wala pa yung mga bisita, hugasan ko ulit yung mga ginamit ko. Nung nagluto ako ng pansit tsaka spring rolls. Ito yung mga kalat ko. So, tapos na ako maglinis dito sa kusina. Upo muna tayo. Ito yung munting handa ni Sak. Hinihintay na lang namin yung bisita. So, So, upo muna ako. And si Holly nagbihis siya. Oh. Busi! Dinamitan niya yung kanyang baby. How are you, Auntie Mel?
How are you?
Good. Ito yung pizza. Ayan si Uncle Jace.
How you going?
Good, Uncle Jace. Wow, lots of pizza.
I all these pieces there. Look.
I know. Bihon. Huh?
Zach.
Yeah, Zachary's request.
Oh, is it?
Especially this one.
Oh.
So, eto. Si ma'am na lang siya kasi dad ang wala pa. So, eto, garlic bread. And 6 na pizza. So, ayan. Pizza.
Here.
We got it for Christmas.
What, Zaki bo? Sa AB game.
Can you get a good game for that?
May $50 isa. And meron pa siya, what's the... Let me see, kuya. PS4, what's the grant what?
Oh, they're just playing, so they try to mix.
Okay. So, hintay na lang namin si ma'am. So, meron tayong barbecue. And Hawaiian. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Basta yan, may ham din siya. And ang dami. Kami lang naman. Eto, meat lovers to. And eto, ano to. Ang daming pizza, guys. Meat lovers din. Eto, last one. Meat lovers. Kasi paborito ng buong pamilyang meat lovers. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Nag-work pa kasi si ma'am.
Mate, mum's like.
So,
Oh,
ayan na yung handa ni Sak, di ba? Dumami na yung handa ni Sak. Go, eat! Eat, Jace! Start! Nihintay pa kasi namin si mom and dad. Kinuha ko ulit to dun sa garage. Ito yung mga disposable na plates and cups. Here, Hannah. You can't wait for mom and dad now, huh?
yeah, I'll go on there for 2 weeks now.
Go start now, ma'am.
Yeah, I said every holiday.
Yeah. You can eat now. Yeah. Okay.
No, I don't eat the lolly first.
Dad said they were really good
What?
last weekend when they had done
Isa go. Una.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Did you wash your hands?
I didn't see you wash your
Remove the
hands.
plastic. Remove the plastic now.
Can't eat it.
Why?
Good that.
No, that's fine. Eat it.
Just bite it.
So you got some good fish yesterday to James.
What's that? Yeah. Baba, where's your pony?
Let's go to the Jason
Those which one you want, Zach? Hindi niya alam kung anong gusto niyang kainin.
Ollie, where's your thing there?
Yeah. Mom? You like it? This is tuna. You know the John West?
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like that.
Look good.
Oh, how you going there, Zachary?
He went the big.
Another big person.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You got plate there, Papa.
There you go.
Yes, you do.
There. Put it on there.
Isang plinatuhan niya na yung ano.
I'm the wrong one.
No, she's got her. Well, hopefully Martin's still working.
Oh, Mom, I only like this one.
Give it a
You
try.
like it? That's the Filipino hot dog.
Yeah, mate.
Did you get your rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, because I got 3 bags in the car for Mum.
You got another one?
3 bags of rice for
We
Mum.
give her rice.
I think this is for only Susan.
How did you go? Well, be careful, honey. My camera
That's meat
behind.
lovers, John, is it?
I think they're here. I think they're here.
I like the burger.
The tuna one? Yeah, it's good. Dito na si Mom, Nana, and Pa.
Oh, you will.
Yeah.
Pretty hot.
Yeah. Buksan namin to kasi ang init ng heater namin.
Yes. Oh.
Hi, Mom. Where's Dad? Oh.
I showered with
Ah.
Handa na.
Yeah, just knock off.
hello little Happy birthday.
She's very shy. Oh, pass here. Okay, we can eat now.
I said to that kid, you never even give him a card.
He's here.
Pass here.
Oh, what's that one, darling? That's meat? With meat?
Mom, there's chicken down here.
Oh, si ma'am kasi hindi siya kumakain. May pansit ako, ma'am. May spring roll yung ano, yung toge.
And this one is the chicken?
No, that one.
Oh, anyway.
Happy birthday.
Okay, eat. I have plate there if you want plate.
Chicken?
Maybe you're hungry, Dennis. There's a lot of pizzas here again.
Yeah, but the boys can.
The Holly.
Bernie, they used to let you warm it up.
Huh?
Yeah, but they've got a canteen that.
Plate, okay.
My birthday is gonna be.
Now, what's one Dennis has got?
Wow!
Oh, chicken.
Nag-invite na siya.
Yeah.
Here, kuya. Welcome. Okay, eat now, Auntie Mel. 7.
That's 7.
Yes, tag 7.
Have to have a family party because we're not allowed to stay with other people.
Yeah. Kasi di ba naalala niyo, sabi niya, gusto niya raw na party, mga kaibigan niya, hindi raw family party. Pero yung ending, family yung kasama niya. Kasi nga, di ba, sa sitwasyon natin ngayon. So, kain muna kami, guys.
Outdoor.
Down. But tell me if you are. Now. Let's not.
Tapos na kayong kumain and yung mga box ng pizza, linagay dyan ni Jan. Ayan na, kuya, oh. Come on.
Mom, look at that.
Wow, who's that? Brad?
Oh, no, honey.
It's got no mom. It's got
Zach, look at
Lalagay na namin yung candle. Si Sak daw ang maglalagay. Okay, Sak.
him. Whoa.
Oh,
No.
I saw something.
If someone walks,
oh.
you have to sing happy
So
birthday.
fast.
Oh, look, I'm gonna put this in so that things pass.
Don't forget your president.
And one was.
Where you gonna put the other one? Ang daming candle. Daming candles. Wait, Sak, I'll take your photo first. Honey. Wait, just gonna take photo.
When you dress it up.
I'm gonna take your photo first.
Oh,
Sak, look at me.
I thought you're 6, darling.
no one. No one.
Smile.
I just thought it was 10.
Look at this here. Okay.
You can think so hard.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Zach. Happy birthday to you.
Happy.
Hooray! Hooray!
Blow the candle. Yay!
Go, Holly. Yeah.
Your turn, baby.
See that?
Don't, Mama, don't. Okay. You cut hand. So, but use head, not two.
Don't kiss the bottom.
Okay, thank you, boy.
You gonna make a wish?
Stop dragging your finger in there, would you?
Okay, but you don't touch the. You got it, but you don't
Chocolate.
go all the way.
Why is it all around the bottom?
Okay. Okay, that's it, Mama.
No.
You don't go all the way.
It's gonna be mine.
Oh, it's gonna be yours.
And then be mine.
Okay. Birthday boy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Kuya. Kuya Sapa.
Oh, Zach. You cake, darling.
That.
Happy birthday, Dad.
And you?
Pass the
Yeah,
level.
and me.
Well, I thought today was
How
working
about
at the bloody.
cookie for us?
No, this is yours.
Pass the level.
No, I didn't know.
Yeah, I spoke to her yesterday.
Yes.
She rang me at lunch.
I don't even see the kids. I don't see them in the morning because
Okay.
She's going to take some school.
You don't like ham?
No.
Right?
You don't want it?
Renee.
She dropped it.
Renee takes
TJ.
I got two small.
Kuya,
And then pick it up.
Yeah.
No.
you want some?
Gusto lang na 6 o'clock eh.
You want some cream?
Yeah, I think I'm
Uncle
going
Jack,
to
please.
go to the school
You
there.
don't want it?
Delicious.
Delicious, Baba.
What game do you reckon you're going to buy it, Teach, with you?
Yes, Spider-Man.
Zach.
Spider-Man.
Isaac,
Is there a
give this
Spider-Man
to Pa, oh.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that there.
Dad, can I put the
How much you got
Dad,
put
Dad,
away?
while you're eating that?
I gave him
Please.
Dad, give this
How
to
much
Pa,
you got
oh.
put away?
Give this to Pa.
You should have about
Always put
100.
it back.
Oh, rich!
Dad, wait.
I think, how much money did he have? Not 90. You had 140 or something.
No, he had 180. I had
Uncle Jay?
150.
Ooh, next.
Isn't that that much?
Auntie Mel.
Dad, we can
Can I
always
have
put
a
it back in.
Can I have a line?
Well, they all took money and put it all one wallet. So I don't know about
Okay, go to this to Auntie Mel. I'm gonna get some for
Where's the
Pa.
game
Oh,
now?
I got I had some now.
Uncle Jack, you watch. Watch, Uncle Jack.
Birthday present.
Well, you put cream on it.
That's right.
Yeah, you want cream, Dad? Do you want to put
Hey,
cream
is that
on the
you
side?
in there?
Oh,
Holly's got cream on it.
little bit.
Wait,
I'll do the
that's
same as Holly.
baby.
I have some cream.
Ito na yung cake, guys. And eto kay John. Gusto niya yung may, chocolate flakes. Cream? How's my cake? How is it, Dad? Good? Is it moist? Very good daw, guys, ang cake. Ayan. Very good, sabi ni Dad. So, ayan yung ano niya, oh. Ayan yung filling. Si John, ang kinuha niya ay yung may yung may chocolate, yung shredded ko ba yung chocolate? Ito yung may cream talaga. Mahilig siya sa cream. Yeah? Ma? So, tapos na kami kumain ng dessert and gustong-gusto nila yung chocolate cake na ginawa ko, guys. Ayan, simot talaga nila, oh. And si Dad, gusto niya magdala, so hahatian ko si Dad. Bibigyan natin si Dad ng kalahati. Ayan. Kay Dad na yung kalahati. Kasi gusto ni Dad. So, ito yung kay Dad. And linipat ko na rin sa maliit na plate yung yung sa amin. Tapos, ayan. Kunin natin tong chocolate. Sarap nito, guys. Ayan. Yummy. Hinati ko yung amin kasi si Kuya gusto niya mag-cake. Welcome. You like it, Kuya?
I come back and
Sarap kasi yung yung frosting din. And moist yung chocolate cake, oh.
right outside.
Moist talaga siya. Tapos ko lang maghugas and ayan naman si Sa. Okay. Kumakain naman siya. Yan na lang yung natirang cake.
Well, Uncle Joe's.
Yeah.
Is it really
Oh,
good
8
na?
o'clock tomorrow. Yeah. You have to wake me up at 6:30.
You have to wake her up.
Huh? I can hear you. You're welcome.
I did this different.
Okay.
Yeah, because Susan too.
Honey Susan.
They're going now.
Because training.
Sabi niyo, konti lang daw.
She already paid.
Oh, see you, Nana. See you, Nan.
See ya, Nana.
Habaw pa. Uwi na sila.
See ya,
Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah. Pagod na si Sak.
There's Aggie.
Say thank you, Pa, for the gift. Thank you for the cash. Say thank you. See Uncle Jay. See Uncle Jay.
See ya.
Thank you
Yeah,
for the
bye.
pizza.
Thanks for everything.
Zachary.
Zach, go to Auntie Mel. Say thank you, Auntie Mel.
Thank you for guys.
Say Auntie Mel. Thank you for
You
the
gotta get
pizza.
Spider-Man, so next time I see you, play Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Say, Mum.
So, nakaalis na sila, ma'am. And then, kanina, nag-send ng video message si Ray siya kasi Dan. Insert ko na.
Happy birthday, Zachary! my number one, my bro, my buddy. Hope you had a good day, and we'll see you when we see you next. Go West Coast.
Go Eagles!
Lang.
Thank you, Tito Dan and Tito Ray. Thank you for letting me be number one.
Number 1 daw siya ulit, sabi ni Tito Dan. Tapos your bro.
When you have a little baby, I'm gonna be number 2.
Yeah, it's alright, right? Yes, because the baby, of course, number 1. And then you're number 2. Say thank you, Tita Race and Tito Dan.
Thank you.
Yes, what's the
Have sushi.
Yeah, for lunch? Okay. Guys, i-close ko na yung vlog. Ano na, 8:35 na. Ito yung mga natirang pagkain. So, si Sak gusto niya raw itong baunin. So, ito na lang yung natira. Ayan, ayan. And yung cake, ayan na lang. And maraming pizza kasi anim, is it 6 box? Yeah. So, ayan. And then yung dalawa ata puno. Puno pa to. So, ayan. Yan na yung dinner namin bukas. Hindi ako magluluto bukas. So, ayan. So, isa pa lang, isang buo, tapos dalawang, good night. You gonna go sleep? Good night.
Good night.
And si Sak, nag-text diba si Race? And nag-send din ako ng video message na nag-thank you si Sak. Okay, we'll say good night.
Good night.
Happy birthday. How's your party?
Good.
Good. Did you like my cake?
Yes. My birthday, Tuna. It's for later my birthday.
Your birthday? Your birthday will be like long, yes?
Yeah.
It's cracked. Only the screen. Yeah, the screen. Okay, let's go. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday, Dad.
Zachary. Kuya. Ano ba? Okay, thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Thanks, hon.
Thank you, Tito Dan and Tito Ray. Thank you for the